In my life today, it's about Moi, it's about Kenyatta, it's about the Odingas. For heaven's sake, I will not allow my kid to go through the same torture of the Kenyatas, of the Odingas, of the Mois. And I'm urging each and every one of us, from the villages, from the north part of Kenya to the southern part of Kenya, from the western part of Kenya to the eastern part of Kenya. If you are tired of these Odingas, of these Mois, of these Kenyatas, you have no choice but to support William Ruto to get rid of these barbaric and pre-colonial teams from our systems. For heaven's sake. The last few weeks, there's been a tendency that the police are being used to deter leaders from engaging in negotiations and arrangements, or now they are going to bring policies from other presidential candidates and other parties within Ukambani. And we followed up and found that it is Mheshimiwa Kalonzo who is behind this. It is a leader of Wiper Party who is behind it. The party leader of Wiper Democratic Party has gone to the government, to the office of the president in Harambee House. He went and cried there that he needed some time to sell his party to Ukambani, to rebrand his party Wiper. But in the same time, the Ruto team is on the ground perpetuating the Ruto agenda, the Asla agenda. So the ground is too disturbed for him to sell the Wiper manifesto. What we are asking is this: Kalonzo is not going for a regional seat. He's not going for senator or a governor position in Ukambani. He's going for a national seat, the presidency. And he will need other regions. He will need other communities for him to clinch the seat. If he uses the police to deter, to distract, actually not to allow other communities, other presidential candidates, people assisting other presidential candidates to come in Ukambani and sell their agenda, what will Kalonzo expect if he goes to the other regions? Does he expect to be welcomed? If at all he did not welcome the other leaders in his region. So we are asking whoever is doing that, that is setting up for a scene like what we had in 2008 and 2007, and that should not be allowed. Whoever is thinking that the police will vote in Ukambani, the police will not vote in Ukambani. It's the Kamba community that will vote for the presidential candidate they would want. And the presidential candidate that Ukambani is going to vote for this year is none other than William Ruto.